All right, guys, before we get into this video, before you get to see this thing run, here's Nick ripping it at Summit Point last weekend. So enjoy. Yo, what is up, YouTube? Back in the garage. Exciting day here at the GA Stance house. The RX8 is getting put on the ground. So actually quite a while ago now, I got all the suspension on this thing. Nick helped me the one day and we got all the coilovers on, we got the camber arms on, bump steer kit. So this thing has been ready to drop on the ground for like the last month, but it's still been up on jack stands. I've been finishing up the wiring. It's been nice having it up at a higher level, and plus I can get underneath the car to do some stuff. So now, like, all that major stuff is pretty much done. There's obviously going to be a lot of little, small things to do to finish this thing up, but for the most part, this thing is drivable. Yeah, I mean, this thing should be able to rip. And I really just want to see it on the ground. So Nick and Matt are on their way right now. They're gonna help me finish up a few things and get this thing on the ground. I also want to go ahead and put coolant in it and bleed the coolant system to make sure this thing is gonna, hold temperature and bleed. And I had a slight issue with, I think, this driver's side rear brake. I think there might still be air in the system. So whenever Nick gets here, I'm gonna rebleed that and hopefully get all the air out of the system. What was happening is as soon as the engine started and the brake booster was in play with the brake system, the pedal would actually go down to the floor, and then I'd turn off the engine and the pedal would firm up again. So not quite sure what's going on there. I'm hoping it's air and not, if it's a bad caliper, I guess I got to get another caliper or rebuild it. But either way, I'm going to try to sort that out before I get it on the ground here. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and dump some coolant in this thing before Nick gets here. It's probably smart to go ahead and do that right away here while it's up off the ground in case there's a leak and I need to tighten something up underneath. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Not gonna start the engine yet, just gonna dump in the coolant and get it filled up. And then we'll see if Nick shows up. What's up, Matt?
What up, Mike?
What up, Nick?
What's up?
What are we doing?
We are taking this car to the junkyard because Cade's done with it. He just doesn't want it anymore, so we're junking it.
You heard him.
What up, Nick?
Hanging out.
What are we doing today?
Apparently we're going to a junkyard.
Like, I still think like it's gonna just feel crazy whenever this thing is like down on the ground.
It was on the ground 8 months ago, so.
Well, I mean with the engine in it, man.
Oh, I mean it was on the ground with an engine in it 8 months ago. They look pretty cool.
A random 10 mil land underneath my jack stand. That's like a meme.
It is a meme.
You find your 10 mil 6 months after you start working on your car. What's up, YouTube? Back in the garage here. Throwing this in here right at the middle of the video. So if you're one of the 30% of viewers that get to this point in the video on average, I just want to say I really appreciate you guys. I'm having a ton of fun doing these videos, and in response to that and in response to you guys, I dug out these old stickers that we had. We got these stickers made in 2016 for our
holiday car meet that we held. This was back in the day. We were just having a blast hanging out with friends. At that time, we sold these stickers for $1 at the meet. We had already made our money back on the stickers, so I'm not worried about that anymore, and I want to be able to give these stickers out to you guys. We have way too many, more than what's just shown here in the video, and I want to start giving them out to you guys. So all you have to do, I want to make this super easy for you. Here's what I'm going to ask you to do. I'm going to ask you to like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to the channel, and then head over to my Instagram, CadeKB, and follow me, and then shoot me a DM letting me know you completed all those things, and then I'll get you hooked up with a sticker. No cost to you. You can put this thing on your toolbox, put it on your window, put it on your drill press like I did, whatever you want to do with it. Doesn't really matter to me. I just wanted to do something fun and give back to you guys. So for the time frame of this, I think the video is either going to be uploaded on the 13th or 14th. So I'm going to honor this for a week after the video is posted. So if you're here later than that, go ahead and DM me. I probably will send you one anyways, but for the sake of not letting it go on forever, a week after the video is posted. And while you're at my Instagram, I've been posting more there recently. So if you want to follow for more kind of sporadic in-between updates in between the videos, you can go ahead and do that. So again, thank you guys very much. Anyways, back to the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy.
All right, I knew it was gonna feel weird, but it feels even weirder than I thought of how like low this thing is to the ground. But it's just an awesome feeling. It's like, feels like a sports car now. Wild. Wild that we're at this point. Okay, well, we're pulling it outside. This will be the first time putting it in gear while it's running.
That's right.
So, might want to watch out, Matt.
Yeah.
A little bit. This way. Straighten up. Yep, come on out. That bad boy's wide, dude. Come this way. Come this way. It's coming out, boy. Dude, that's sick. You want me to move? Sick, dude. Mint. Hold on. All right, do it. Mint. Sick, dude.
Ready to drift. Did you hear it? Yeah, it's running good.
Smells good too. Good.
My fuel leak's gone. I switched out that fitting. It was leaking. Oh, yeah, look at that. I need to do a better job of that thing. Sounds good. I wasn't looking at my wheel.
Oh, dude, that's the most important part.
It's at 50 right now.
Oh, you're good.
Let
Yeah.
me see what it looks like while I rub it. Oh, yeah. What do you think, Kate?
I'm excited. It's awesome.
Nick's just ready to,
And it's cold.
to tandem.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Matt and Nick came over, helped me get this thing on the ground,
Heck yeah,
which
man.
is dope.
Yeah.
Super excited. Excited to have Nick teach me how to drift now. You guys saw him freaking ripping the Z, so
Gonna be big rips.
big rips. So this thing is gonna be driving in no time after I finish up all the small stuff that takes the longest.
Yep.
So-
Most of it's done though, isn't it?
yeah. So thank you everybody for watching. If you stuck around this long, I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and Nick.
See you guys on the next one.